Dear friends, the machine I'm going to do in this video is couch on the Tryhackme. As you can see over here, I've already spawned the machine earlier, and this is the IP address of the machine. I will use the attack box provided by the Tryhackme to do this penetration, which is online. Kali Linux. Yeah, this is Kali Linux, right? Or Palette OS, I'm not sure. Okay, this is Ubuntu. Anyhow, now we can go ahead. And in this video, I'd like to follow the guides provided by the Loom itself to do this penetration. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You are greatly appreciated. So without further ado, let's just get a real start. Firstly, we need to do the port scanning. And I've already done the map scanning to save time of this video. Map scanning. As you can see over here, I used the option like scene scan, the version scan, the default script scan, and output the result into this file. From the map scanning, the map just identified one open port, which is 22, running SSH surface, and also the version information. Of course, this version of SSH doesn't have any vulnerability, or we cannot find any attack surface. So maybe we need to do the full range port scan or comprehensive scan. I've already done the map scanning with 4 scanning options. This will take a bit long time to finish. As you can see, I used the option of T5 to speed up the scanning process, and use the option of -P- to do the comprehensive scan or full range port scan, and output the result into this file. So from this time, the map can identify another port number, which is 5984, and running CouchDB. To get more detailed information about this surface, this time we can do the more specific scanning. Of course, I've already done the scanning earlier. As you can see, this time I just scan the port number 5984, and I use the option of scene scan, version scan, and the default script scan. So from a map scanning, we can get much more information, much more detailed information about this surface, which is HTTP, and also the version information. Of course, at this moment, we can use the search exploit utility to see whether this version of surface has vulnerability or not, right? And here, and this one, maybe, as you can see at the bottom, this version of CouchDB is exposed to this exploit, remote code execution. However, I will not do that. I just want to follow the guide provided by the Loom instead. Okay, so now what else we can do for this surface? Maybe we can answer some questions here. How many open ports are open? Submit. And what's the database management system? We have already got this information from the map scanning, which is correct, and also the port number. Let's submit, which is correct. And what's the version? Submit. Very easy so far, right? And what's the path for the web administration tool for this database management system? And next, I think we can use the Google to make some search to see for example, we can put the CouchDB couchdb web administration 2 URL. And you can find this information here. So let's scroll down. Yeah, here. You can also create a database. Yeah, this one is the administration 2. We can copy and answer this one. Submit. Also, you can check it by browser. The IP address of the target, and please don't forget to specify the port number and utils. Press enter. As you can see, we got the here from this administration 2, we can create a database and also list a database, existing databases. All right. And what's the path to list all databases in the web browser of the database management system? Of course, you can use the, like a GoBuster to do the directory enumeration. However, we cannot find such information. Instead, we can use the Google to make some research. We can list all databases, and then you can get the, I think you can get the answer. For example, here. Yeah, this link, the first link, yeah, this one maybe is what we are looking for, right? So we can put DBS, submit. So what are the credentials found in the web administration 2? So I think we need to go back to this administration 2, the web administration 2. I can think here this database caught our attention very much, and we can click, and then we can, as you can see, we got the password backup, and we can copy this information and answer this question. Let's submit, which is correct. So maybe we can use this information or these credentials to log into the target via SSH. Let's do it now. We can open up our browser, the terminal, and we can use the SSH. And the username is Atana, and followed by the IP address of the target. And we can put the IP address here. Yeah, of course, we want to continue connecting. And the password, we can, maybe I can copy from my notebook. Copy and paste in here. Yeah, wonderful. We are successfully logged in as the user Atana. And I think now we can get the user flag without any problem. We can cut out this user flag. We can copy the flag and answer the next question. Let's submit. Yeah, which answer is correct. So escalate privileged and obtain root flag. So of course, next we need to elevate a privilege. In order for us to do that, we need to do the local enumeration. For example, we can cat or read the bash history. Yeah, a lot of commands have been executed earlier. So the bash history always contains very important information. Yeah, like install information, the flag, the queue. However, if we take a notice at the bottom here, the Docker. So this machine run the Docker command, and it looks like it's connected to the host. Of course, this host is local one and the port number. So we can confirm this by running ss command to display all open port number. As you can see, it does open this port number. So next, how to elevate a privilege? And we can run the Docker, and we can specify the host to be connected to. Also, we can use the port number and use the images to display all available images on the machine or on the daemon. Let's press enter. Yeah, the Alpine image is there. And next we can run this Alpine image to get our privilege escalated. How to do? We can run the Docker and specify the host to be connected to. And then we can run, and we can map the volume between the root to the temp directory, and then we can run the command ID. And the image, what we are going to run is Alpine. Let's press enter. There's some errors. Oh, sorry, I misconfigured the IP address and port number. Docker, the local host. Yeah, we need to have the comma between the address and the port number, and run Alpine. Yeah, it's working. Now we can navigate to temp directory, and then we can go to the root directory. Then we can get the root flag, right? We can get out the root flag. Okay, we can copy this root flag and submit to the room. Submit. All right, congratulations. That's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.